it's Mindy here with Patriot Health Alliance. I hope you're having a great St. Patrick's Day so far. Maybe you found that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Speaking of rainbows, have you ever heard the advice, if you want to be healthier, be sure to eat the rainbow? Today, I'm going to show you just how to do that with a few St. Patrick's Day smoothies. 6 recipes in all that you'll absolutely savor. Before I get to that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the cute little bell right next to it. We have so many delicious videos coming up, you won't want to miss it. Okay, let's leap into a healthy rainbow of smoothies. I'll be making all of our delicious smoothies today with our Patriot Power Blender, which you can literally take with you anywhere. It's USB rechargeable, cordless, but powerful to get that really creamy consistency that makes a great smoothie. Let's start off with number 6, the Red and Rev Indigo Berry Smoothie. You'll be seeing red with this smoothie recipe, but that's a good thing. Berries are one of nature's healthiest foods, full of antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. Here's what you'll need. A half cup of almond milk or plant-based milk of your choice, half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt for protein, half a cup each of strawberries, raspberries, and watermelon, and about a quarter cup of blueberries. Next up we have number 5, the Orange Sunrise Smoothie. This one reminds me of a perfect morning in a glass. Full of sunny, tropical flavor, you might think all that's missing is one of those paper umbrellas. Here's what you'll need. A half cup of almond milk, half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of frozen peaches and frozen mango, 1/4 cup of carrot juice, and a splash of orange juice for a little zing. Careful, this smoothie may make you want to escape to the beach. Moving on to our next amazing creation, number 4, the Yellow Mellow Smoothie. Let's go ahead and transport ourselves to the islands, shall we? For this next smoothie, you will need 3/4 of a cup of orange juice, a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, a 1/4 cup each of frozen bananas, mango, and pineapple. In honor of St. Patrick's Day, number 3 on our list, the Green Goddess Smoothie is sure to be the perfect start to anyone's day, especially with Patriot Power Greens in the mix. For this smoothie, you'll need 1 cup of orange juice, 1/2 of an avocado sliced, 3/4 cup of spinach, 1 small fresh kiwi, 1 scoop of Patriot Power Greens, and a couple of ice cubes. No spinach taste at all. The avocado makes it creamy, and the kiwi and orange juice give it just the right amount of sweetness. Delicious. This next smoothie reminds me of a dessert, literally. Number 2, the Blueberry Cheesecake Smoothie. What's better than cheesecake? Well, probably a healthy smoothie that tastes like cheesecake and still does wonders for your body. You'll need 1/2 a cup of almond milk, half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of frozen blueberries and blackberries, and 1 teaspoon of honey for that bit of sweetness. Blend all the ingredients and presto! Dessert is your smoothie is ready. And last but not least, number 1, the Purple PB&J Smoothie. I don't know about you, but when I was a kid, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches were one of my all-time best loved foods. This smoothie recipe is a twist on that childhood favorite that's also great for you, with muscle-building protein, antioxidant-rich dark purple berries, and some tangy pomegranate juice for that something extra. All you'll need is 1 cup of pomegranate juice, a 1/2 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of frozen blackberries, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or almond butter. Once you've got it all assembled, it's time to blend it up. There you have it, 6 easy, delicious, and healthy smoothies for you to try. If you want all these smoothie recipes to copy and paste, I'll put them in the description below. Feel free to jazz them up any way you like and experiment. Do you have a favorite smoothie? Let us know in the comments. Here's to wishing you the luck of the Irish and a rainbow of good health.